morning, WeldLab family. Today is Monday. It's early as hell. Y'all know I'm not a morning person. I'm about to head to work, but I'm pretty excited because I'm putting my mud tires on today. Finally been able to put the mud tires. If y'all don't know, I got these on right now, but I haven't got the ones in the back yet, and I need to hurry up and get that done. I've been waiting since Thursday to get that done, and the parts supposedly gonna come in today, so hopefully they come in today. So I'm pretty excited for that. So I'm about to head to work. I'm about to stop and get me some breakfast, and y'all know, get that Red Bull. So I'm gonna be vlogging through my day today. Hopefully I enjoy the video. Just a little update on the modification on my rig, and let me know what y'all think once I put these. The time has come for me to go get my mud tires. I'm really excited. I can't wait. I've been waiting for this for a long time. You know, it's 3 o'clock. I'm leaving work early. I'm about to go pick my wife up so we can take that little ride to Freeport. Yeah, man, I'm excited. After this, I'm gonna throw on the 6-inch lift. I'm not sure how fast I'm gonna put it on, but I'm definitely gonna get that 6-inch lift real soon. But yeah, man, I'm gonna give you an update on my job too. Yesterday, which was Sunday, we came into work to make up for the tropical storm, and we had like 12 people get laid off. We down to 3 welders. So yeah, the project is basically done. They already started taking all the offices down. They started packing everything up. Now we have a smaller Connex with tools, and they laid off a lot of people. So yeah, man, the job site is basically done. We'll see what happens though. I'm happy that I made that layoff. So well, like I said, well, you know, with this oil field, we never know what's going on. But yeah, man, I'm about to head to downtown. Then after that, I'm gonna head to Freeport to go ahead and get the mud tires put on. So I'll check in with y'all in a bit.
Hey, where's that? Go up on the jack. What? Yeah. Where's that? That flip socket?
But yeah, man, there y'all have it, man. I finally was able to put those tires on my truck. I'm really happy. I just gotta get my leveling kit put on so I can level it out and look a little bit more higher, and some airbags in the back, because whenever I hit those bumps, my machine be getting messed. Not my machine, I'm tripping. Whenever I hit those bumps, it feels real heavy, and I heard that if I put those airbags, it will help my rig out a lot. But yeah, man, I'm very happy. I'm really excited. Finally got the mud tires on there. Like I said, next thing will be to put a lift kit on here, but I don't know. I'm gonna see when I do it. I think I want to wait a little bit longer. But yeah, man, that's the update on the rig. Every time I do a modification or I do something else to it, I'll let y'all know so I can keep y'all posted on what's going on. But I appreciate all the people who follow me, all my new subscribers, finally made it up 5K. I'm really excited. So I mean, hopefully y'all follow me on this journey, you know, and hopefully let's see what happens with the future. But I'm about to head back inside. I'm about to grab me a bite to eat. Then I'm gonna go hit the gym. You know, I'm still trying to stay fit. So I'll holler at y'all.